Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic and modern-looking calculator using just HTML and CSS. We'll design it step by step, adding smooth buttons, shadows, hover effects, and even a digital display like a real calculator. First of all, press Shift plus exclamation mark. Let's begin by creating the main calculator box using a div tag. We give it a class name called calculator. Now we add CSS to style the calculator. This makes the calculator dark, rounded, and centered on the page with a slight shadow. Inside the calculator, we add a div for the display screen. We give it a class name display. Now, let's style the display in CSS. This gives the display a white background, large text, and aligns the numbers to the right. Now we create another div to hold all the calculator buttons. We give it the class buttons. Let's style the buttons container to use a grid layout. This arranges the buttons in 4 columns with even spacing. Next, let's add buttons for operations like plus, minus, multiply, divide, clear, and equals. You can use different background colors for special buttons using classes. Let's style all the buttons. This gives all buttons a smooth, dark look and a hover effect when we move the mouse over them. Now we add the number buttons from 0 to 9 inside the buttons, div using the button tag. Let's add a class to the clear and equal buttons. And style them in CSS. The clear button is red, and the equals button is green to make them stand out. You can also make sure everything is responsive and looks clean on mobile by setting flexible widths or adding media queries if needed. You can also make sure everything is responsive and looks clean on mobile by setting flexible widths or adding media queries if needed.